Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. It really doesn't have much of a name on it here. It's the MC186 or whatever, but I'll show you what it is when I open it up. If I can open it up, comes with a pack of two, and I remember what they are because I bought them. But they are, look at this, it's a little carabiner clock. So it's the little carabiner, so you can clip it onto your backpack or whatever. You'll always have the time with you there, and it looks like it comes with a little thing to pull off. Yeah, there's a little piece of plastic in there holding the thing in place. And there it is, and it comes with the battery and everything, so there we go. Our clock is ticking. What time is it now? It's 6:50, so it's, what time we got here? We got 7:10, so we're close. Let's reset it here. Oh boy, it's gonna be a tough one to do. I don't know if I can do it. My nails just aren't big enough. I have man nails and I've bitten them off to nothingness. So, here we go. So let's change it to 6:51. And there we are. So that's what it looks like. It really looks really nice. It looks like a really nice watch. It's got a little plastic coating on it. There we go. And so that's what it looks like. So very cool. Yeah, it's like a glass crystal on it and everything. Very cool, I like it. I'm gonna put this on my stuff, and it comes with two of them, so I actually have two. So, very cool. I like it. You can see it here super close up. Nice. Okay, well, thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.